This is Mario Reyes with Freeway Insurance, and today we will be discussing how to make an insurance claim. Making an insurance claim is very easy, and the more information you have, the better. If you're reporting a claim in regards to automobile insurance, the more information you have, the better. If you're reporting an accident, it's very important to make sure that you report to your insurance company the other driver's information, such as policy, year, make, and model of the vehicle, date and time of the accident, and exactly how the accident occurred. It will be sort of like a mini interview that the insurance company will do when reporting an accident. So the more information you have, the better it will be. It's also very important to keep a little journal of the claims process. So when reporting a claim, keep the name of the claims adjuster that you're reporting the claim to, also the date and time, and keep any notes throughout the whole process, because there will be many phone calls and conversations that you will have with the claims adjuster in regarding to the claim. If you're reporting a homeowner's claim, basically do the same thing. Keep a log of who you're talking to and all the information that you've reported to the claims adjuster. The more information you have for your claim, the better, such as date and time, conditions, if someone maybe slipped and fall on your property, was the property wet, was there any water? The more information that you can report to the claims adjuster, the better and quicker it will be for your claim to be settled and possibly get cash in your hand. This is Mario Reyes with Freeway Insurance.